Hi, this is Suzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear recent items on Macbook. Before we get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you are a stickler for privacy, you wouldn't be pleased that the apps and the files you opened are on public display, whether they're confidential files or apps you use for leisure. You'll want to remove them, especially if you're sharing your Mac with family or at work. So, how? On my previous video, I've shown you how to see how to check your recent item, and now I will show you how to delete it to clear your recent item on your MacBook. It's very simple. So, first step, you can just look at the top left corner of your screen. There is like Apple icon on that. You can just select on that. Now, from the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Recent Items. You can hover your cursor over it, and you'll find all your recent items in here. And at the bottom, you will see there is an option Clear Menu. You can just select on that. So now you have cleared the recent items from your MacBook. And when you check your recent item is empty. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove your recent items on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.